Thank you for joining us today. This is Rich Savage with the Red Hat team at Carahsoft, and I'm here with Ryan Kraus, Staff Data Science Solutions Architect at Red Hat, to talk about trends in edge computing across the public sector.
Hey, how's it going?
Great, great. Glad to have you here, Ryan. And to get us started, can you please take a moment to provide our audience with a brief introduction of the world of edge computing?
Yeah, sure. So edge computing is it's probably one of the broadest buzzwords I think that we have right now. There's really a whole spectrum that falls into the category of edge computing, and all of it boils down to simply wanting to put compute closer to where the action is. We like to think of extreme edge cases as like maybe some IoT devices that are gathering sensor data and feeding them back in, or maybe we'll have like a remote office and we want some systems there to act as sort of some edge compute power. Or maybe it's a cell phone tower that has a mini data center at the base of it, providing some compute for the tower. So really we have this broad spectrum there that everyone kind of falls into. But like I said, it's mostly getting compute close to the action.
That's great. And yeah, absolutely. I agree. We're hearing it being used in many different use cases. So I guess maybe let's hone in on that a little bit. What are like some of the primary IT challenges that public sector organizations face that edge computing can really help to overcome?
Especially in public sector, there's data security is always, tantamount to basically everything. And one really nice thing about edge computing is that now I can, instead of having to send sensitive data over the wire, the field back to my data center, I can actually just process it locally in the field and keep that sensitive data, where it exists instead of exposing myself to the risks of distributing that out.